Well, here's after the last night blizzard. Well, I did put a shovel there. I'm gonna go try and dig my way to the garage because some idiot left his coveralls and snow boots in there. So that'll be good. That's gotta go out and try and get to the cows, see how they're doing this morning. Yeah, she's a bit deep. I dug my way into the garage here, about crotch deep, all the way from the house. Here's the pickup I'm gonna go supposedly feed cows with later. If only this little kitty cat ran, I'd be all over the place. But yeah, here's pickups. Horses are in the barn, I'm assuming. Yeah, ick. Gonna be a little bit to dig out today. Well, probably someday. Anyways, that's into the garage. And yeah, we're gonna get dressed and go see where the cows are at, if we can see them. Now back out to the shop. Gotta get through here to go feed, which is kind of almost level with the pickup. So we'll just go from there. That's level with that pickup. Luckily the door had some ice below it, so I got snow in here too. But we'll get the old Indy Sport out here and go hit some wicked jumps, I guess, on the way to the cows.
Corky. Holy cow.
Well, I made it out to the cows. They're all hunkered back in the windbreaks here. At least they got some windbreak, but they can't get away from all of it. These guys are in the barn, but they got to go out. I got about 2 days of digging to get into them to just feed today. Yeah. Okay, well ladies, I'll be back shortly.
Alright, headed outside into the snowstorm. Kids wanted to come out here and check this out. So, it's hard to see out here, that's why I got these goggles on, otherwise you cannot see out here. So I'm gonna flip this camera around here so we can see what's going on. Okay. Well, Waylon's trying to climb the snowbank over here by our bale pickup. Oh! And he disappeared. This is our bale pickup. I can't even see my camera. I don't know. I won't know what I videoed until I get back in. Alright. Holy crap. I cannot see anything that I am videoing. Alright, I gotta put my glove back on here. Take a walk around. McCody's over by the horses. So if I can walk through this snow drifts. Jeez Louise. Ugh. Here we go. I'm walking. I don't even know where everything's white. I can't see where I'm going. Oh, just climb over all. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ugh. Oh boys. All this wet weather stinks, doesn't it? Yes. Hi. Oh, he's my sweetheart. Alright. That's the driveway. Can't see it. I just know it's there somewhere. Oh, there's Dennis on top of the bale pickup. Alright. I have no idea if I can even get down here to this. No, not even gonna attempt it. I was gonna try to walk out and see what's beyond, but not gonna happen. You can barely see Dennis across the way here. Those are grain bins, kind of hard to see. All right, that is all I'm gonna video for right now. We are all back in the garage. Went out there. What'd you think, kids?
I didn't like
What'd
it.
you think of it? You didn't like it? No. Waylon, what'd you think of it?
I loved it.
You loved it?
I loved it. He
You
crawled
lo-
on top of the pickup.
He climbed up on top of the pickup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that on the bale bed. Well, there's a nice little snowdrift that.
Well, the 8-foot one on top of it.
And you didn't like it, Makoti? No,
So cold.
it's cold. Hard to see, isn't it? It
I
was-
had my hand by Gunner's ear, and he was rubbing his head on my hand.
Yeah, I was trying
Trying
to
to get the ice off.
trying to get it off of there.
Yeah.
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 The barn okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
The barn is covered in snow.
I know.
Also.
Inside.
Yeah. And the
It's
cows.
coming from every
It's
direction. It's just sneaking in.
swirling everywhere.
It's just a dusting. It isn't like outside here.
No, it's just a dusting on the air. It's not like it's piled up
Yeah, I went in
inside.
the horse pen and brushed some of the ice off. He's in Gunner.
Okay. So that was our little rendezvous. Kids wanted to run outside and see it. One didn't like it. One thought it was pretty fun. Probably would have been all right if we all had these goggles on so you could actually see. It hurt to walk out there. It was just blasting your face. Anywho, that is our
So someone
Little-
stole my goggles.
show and tell. Yeah, I stole Dennis's. Thanks, babe. I appreciate that. Anyway, be sure to hit subscribe, follow us for more, and hit like on this one, and share away. Till next time. See you then.